The African American Store, a place where you can find all your organic herbs and detox products. The store is located here on West Warren in Michigan by the Southfield Freeway. We have a range of detox products based on moringa, black seed, and alafia leaf mixtures. The African American Store is indeed a place where you can find all your natural herbs and different organic products, all natural. We do have different other products like watches, earrings for females, but we are more focused on importing real organic products coming from the motherland, from the Gambia and the Ghana, all organic. From shea butters to body butters, we have all organic ingredients in our shop. We are open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day. Welcome to the African American Store, a place where you can find all your organic natural detox, located here in the state of Michigan. We have the organic herbal store here on West Warren. We have the alafia leaf mixture. It contains red clover, ginger, black pepper, angelica roots, and like garlic. As you can see, we have multiple organic products. We are standing in front of the International Herbal Nutrition Center here in Michigan, a place where you can find all your organic, natural detox products and natural herbs. A place where you also can find all your shea butters, your body butters, your black soap, all your organic needs.